What's good, my people? Ramfis Tech here. Today I'm going to show you a new method on how to install Windows 11 on your unsupported computers 2025 for free. It is very easy and simple. You don't have to write any commands. If your processor doesn't have the SSE 4.2 or the POP CMD instructions set, then this method won't work for you. To check if your PC have those instructions set, just download this free software CPUZ, then run it. So if you open the software, you find out if your PC have those instructions set. You can see I have the SSE 4.2 instructions here. So I will be able to install Windows 11 on my device. So you have to go and download the Windows 11 ISO file. Head over to your browser and search for Windows 11 download. Click on the official Microsoft link that you will see. Please make sure you are downloading the latest version of Windows 11. You can see the current release version is 24H2. So scroll down till you find download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select Windows 11 multi-edition for 64-bit devices. Then click on download now. You have the option to select your product language. It is very important. If you check here, you can see you will need to choose the same language when you install Windows. To see what language you are currently using, go to time and language in PC settings or region in your control panel. So if you don't know your product language, just open your settings, then click on the time and language section. Click on language at the left side of the page. So from here, you see your default system language. You can see mine is English United States. So go back to the download page, then select your product language. Click on 64-bit download and the ISO will begin downloading. I have already downloaded it, so no need to download it again. So once your download finished, just right click on the ISO file and extract. And please do not mount it. Just extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip. You're going to see the Windows 11 installation files here. Just right click on an empty space inside the folder, select new test document and name it setup. Double click on it to open it. Then type setup space / product space server. Once you're done, just click on file, then save it, then close it. Now if you check here, you can see this boot mgr file has a file extension with EFI. We can't see the test document file extension. Click on view, then checkmark show hidden extensions. You're going to see the file extensions when you've done that. Just right click on the setup, then select rename. Now change the file extension from TST to BAT and hit the enter key. Then click on yes. Double click on the BAT file and say yes to the command prompt box. It will say installing Windows Server. Don't worry, it is actually Windows 11. It is the same setup form for Windows Server with that requirement. TPM 2.0, secure boot, and your processor isn't supported. So this method will skip all these requirements and it is official directly by Microsoft. Click on change how the setup download the update. I don't want to download updates right now, so I'm just going to click on not right now. Also checkmark I want to make the installation better. Then click on next. The setup will start checking your PC if it meets the Windows 11 system requirements. So you can see we have successfully bypassed the Windows 11 requirement with this method. Just click on accept. You can choose what to keep. If you selected the correct product language, you get this option. Keep files, settings, and apps, or keep personal files only. Or you can opt for nothing. This is going to erase everything. It says ready to install. Just click on install and it will start installing Windows 11 for you. Wait for it to finish. So guys, you can see our fresh new install of Windows 11. If I right click on Windows button and click on system, you can see I have Windows Education 24H2 installed. Let's check if the updates are working. And yes, the updates are working. You can see security updates are working. Update for Windows Security Platform as well as cumulative update for Windows 11. So guys, as you can see, it is downloading and it is working really well. So guys, upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11 is free. And that's it guys. You have learned how to bypass the Windows 11 system requirement without the need for CMD. While it's important to remember that doing so might affect the stability and security of your system, this method offers an easy way to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button now. Subscribe for more tech tips and share it with your friends who might be looking for a similar solution. Also, feel free to drop any questions or comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching guys.